Hi, this is Dominique, and this is our patch. It's called Human Nature, and basically it has to do with clap sensing through the microphone, and all of these audio files, there's 10, and they're also linked up with a Photoshop movie, which basically transitions a green forest image to a gray forest image, which was shown in the video before this. So both the videos and the music is linked together so that they transition. And we just used a clap to trigger each of the sounds. Let me see if I can get some of that working. So that's how all of the videos go through. And we also linked this up to Mad Mapper to project the image of the tree on the wall. And we had a person sit with it and just clap with the sound. So it's supposed to be an interactive piece.